Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking essentials and starting the UPI flow. First, make sure the phone number linked to your bank account is exactly the one in Google Pay, otherwise the OTP will fail. Once done, grant Google Pay SMS permission and disable any secondary SIM if it blocks SMS. Now open Google Pay, tap your profile, choose Payments Methods and choose Add Bank Account. This triggers bank selection and the automatic mobile verification. Proceed when the app shows your bank. You now complete the critical linking and verification. After selecting your bank, the app requests permission to read an OTP. Allow it so verification can be automatic. This prevents manual input errors. If multiple accounts exist, pick the one tied to your SIM and debit card. The app then sends a UPI verification to the bank and generates a virtual payment address. Make sure your debit card supports UPI. Some cards need enabling by the bank, so call customer service if it's blocked. You finish by creating your UPI PIN and confirming activation. When prompted, enter your debit card last 6 digits and expiry to authorize setting a 4 or 6-digit UPI PIN. The bank will send an OTP. Enter it promptly. Once the PIN is set, make a tiny test transfer to a trusted contact to confirm transactions work. If something goes wrong, clear Google Pay cache, reinstall the app, and retry. If issues persist, contact your bank with the OTP timestamp so they can trace the failure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.